Want to see the full total solar eclipse? Make sure to watch until the end.
Hi, this is Kit from Brody's Roam the World, and we're going to be setting up in Illinois to video and photograph the eclipse on April the 8th, and I'm going to show you setting up my equipment.
For the second time in 7 years, I was fortunate enough to live within or close to the path of a total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is the phenomenon where the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, where, for a short time, the moon completely blocks out the sun, providing a brief glimpse of the sun's corona. Remember to like and subscribe to see future content. For the most recent solar eclipse, I traveled about 2 hours east from home into the path of totality. A special thanks to the Carr family for the use of their farm. If you ever witness a solar eclipse, please make sure to use the proper protection to avoid damage to your eyes.
So I've got my tripod, and the first thing that I need to do is make sure that I am 100% level and that I get it anchored. And that's actually really good. And I have a heavy water bag full of water to weight it down to help make sure that it's as steady as possible. And that's pretty good right there. So then the next thing I need to do is put in the mount that will hold the camera, and it is used to offset the rotation of the Earth so that I don't have to constantly reposition my camera. It's a astrophotography tracker, it's a solar tracker once I get it aligned. And I will do that alignment with my phone. I made this mount to make sure that my phone is 100% level with the mount itself so that I can align it, because it has to be aligned to the North Pole. And right now I am off. Needs to go that way. That is pretty close right there. All right, there we go. I know that took a minute, but the closer I get it to perfect, the better it will be. And then we're going to put this on that actually holds the camera, and this is a counterweight to offset the weight of it. And I've got my ball head here. And now I can put the camera on. All right, and then we bring in the camera. My camera is a Nikon D850, and I have a Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens. And we're gonna get it plopped in the ball head mount here and make sure it is nice and tight. And we're gonna test. So as you can see, I've got the camera all set up now. I've got the tracker in place. I've got remote shutter release. And now I can see from here. I just gotta get some focus. I knew going in that getting my focus was gonna be the hardest thing. And it's hard to see too because it's so bright. Okay, so we are tracking the sun right now. The eclipse is going on. It is maybe about 10%. My tracking mechanism is working perfectly. I think I've got this tack-sharp, so hopefully everything is working according to plan right now. As long as the clouds stay at bay, I think we're in really good shape. I'm really liking what I'm seeing so far. The only thing I need to do is remember how I do brackets, because I need to bracket. That way it gets better exposure, because it'll take multiple pictures. All right, I got my bracket set up and we're just waiting. Everything looks tack sharp. And we're going to go ahead and look up. Right now it looks like it's about maybe 15%. Looks like there's just been a little bite taken out of it. Our tracking looks perfect. So right there, I'm just adjusting just a little bit. It may be drifting just the shade out of the center. Everything is looking great right now.
So the goal was to video the eclipse effect on the sun by going from light to dark and then back to light, but due to an issue, I can't bring that to you. While I'm sorry about that, I'm more than happy to share with you my pictures. The first series shows the moon in different phases of covering the sun. This next image is that of the diamond ring effect. This is where just a pinpoint of light shows through just before totality starts. While this is not the best image that I had hoped for, I believe you'll get the effect. This image is during totality, allowing sights of solar flares shooting out from the sun. The tallest one you see was supposed to be almost 24,000 or 38,000 kilometers tall, which is enough to fit 3 planet Earths within, which shows the immense size of the sun. And finally, last but not least, I am proud to present to you the total eclipse of the sun. With the moon obscuring the surface, totality is the only time we can see the delicate streaming plasma rays from the outer atmosphere of the sun. It is a sight to behold and one that I am pleased to share with you. I hope you enjoyed sharing my journey with me to bring you all of these images, and make sure to like and subscribe to see our continued travels as roadies roam the world.